4 acres of pure peace, fresh air, and the sound of nature. Welcome to Prana Experience, the getaway that lets you connect with nature, sometimes a little too closely.
And welcome to Prana by Chasing Purple. This is Shabana. I'm Shabana. I'm going to take you around the property and show you the beautiful amenities this property has for you to enjoy your stay here. This is in the middle of Hosur and surrounded by a lot of nature. 90% of this property is filled with mango trees and a lot more different kinds of trees which you can explore. Lots of green areas of parks, playgrounds and a lot more. So it's apt for families, team outings and a lot more. It can hold a lot of people obviously. So let's go inside and look at the courtyard and a lot more what it has to offer. Come on, come on. This is the main entrance of the main villa. There's some couple of rooms here, dining place. The rooms begin from here and there's a dining area and this is a place where you can sit, work, lounge and enjoy.
There's something about this place. The air feels lighter, time moves slower. It's quiet, but not the kind that feels empty. It's the kind that makes you breathe a little deeper. This pool, it's not about luxury. It's about switching off. Just you, the water, and the sound of trees moving around you.
So guys, a little bit away from the main villa, we have two different beautiful cottages which are away so that you have enough privacy with cozy and comfort. You can bring your family. There is enough nature all around. You have sitting spaces, lounging spaces and all of that. And close enough to at least shout, where is the breakfast? Please come give us some breakfast. And obviously assistance by us at all times.
Weddings, parties, retreats, whatever your excuse is, Prana makes it feel effortless. 4 acres, 3 bedrooms, 3 cabins, 1 pool, and about 100 ways to make memories here. About 2.5 hours from Bangalore, Prana offers the perfect blend of space, calm, and nature. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more coming your way.